The power of creativity in the age of artificial intelligence. With artificial intelligence, AI, and automation revolutionizing industries, the role of creativity and innovation has never been more crucial. As machines take on routine, repetitive tasks, our uniquely human qualities, like imagination, intuition, and problem-solving, become irreplaceable. Creativity is no longer just a nice-to-have skill. It's the fuel that drives progress, empowers individuals, and sets successful companies apart in today's tech-driven landscape. Here, we'll explore why creativity is indispensable in an AI-dominated world and how you can cultivate this essential skill to stay ahead. The transformative impact of AI and automation on the modern workforce. AI and automation are dramatically reshaping the job landscape, transforming how tasks are completed and redefining what it means to create value. From data processing and customer service to logistics and manufacturing, AI now plays a significant role in enhancing efficiency, lowering costs, and streamlining complex processes. For businesses, these advancements bring vast opportunities to optimize operations, but they also lead to shifts in the types of skills that are most valued. Today, more than ever, unique human skills, like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, are in high demand. As machines take on repetitive, rule-based tasks, people are needed to engage in higher-level functions that demand innovative and adaptive thinking. This change has redefined the must-have skills for modern professionals and has placed a premium on those capable of bringing fresh, original perspectives to the table. Creativity is, in essence, the new currency of the workforce. Why creativity sets you apart in a machine-driven world. In an environment increasingly dominated by AI, creativity acts as a key differentiator. While machines are adept at analyzing data and performing set processes, they lack the ability to envision new concepts, intuitively adapt to change, or dream up novel solutions to complex problems. These uniquely human capabilities are what give us an edge and allow us to provide real value. When you cultivate creativity, you become a problem solver who can approach challenges from new perspectives, generate groundbreaking ideas, and design solutions that machines simply cannot. This ability to innovate keeps you relevant and in demand. As AI continues to take over more predictable tasks, the value of imaginative thinking, creativity, and adaptability will only increase. Being able to think creatively and adapt your approach to ever-evolving challenges sets you apart from those who may not yet recognize how rapidly the world is changing around them. Innovation as a driver of business success. For organizations, creativity and innovation are critical to staying competitive in a fast-paced market. Companies that foster creativity are better equipped to adapt to market changes, seize new opportunities, and develop products and services that meet shifting customer demands. This mindset not only helps businesses thrive in the short term, but also fuels long-term growth by keeping them adaptable and relevant. Many successful businesses make it a practice to encourage their teams to think outside the box and come up with fresh approaches to existing problems. One effective way to unlock creative potential is through brainstorming sessions and exercises that encourage participants to push past conventional solutions. For example, try defining a problem and then writing down 20 different ways to solve it. Although it may be challenging to come up with this many ideas, it's often the 18th, 19th, or 20th idea that sparks a breakthrough. This disciplined approach to problem solving helps individuals and teams develop innovative solutions, enabling companies to stand out in their industry. Practical strategies to cultivate creativity in an AI-driven world. Nurturing creativity is a proactive process. It requires consistent effort and an environment that encourages exploration, curiosity, and collaboration. Here are some strategies to help develop and maintain your creative edge. Embrace a growth mindset. The belief that your creative abilities can be developed is essential. Creativity, like any other skill, grows with practice, dedication, and an openness to learning. Challenge yourself by trying new things, learning unfamiliar skills, and viewing failures as opportunities for growth. Embrace the idea that there's no such thing as failure, only feedback that can guide you forward. Seek out diverse experiences and perspectives. Creativity is fueled by diverse inputs. By exposing yourself to various industries, cultures, and ways of thinking, you gain new insights and ideas that can spark innovation. Attend industry conferences, engage with people from different backgrounds, and read widely to bring fresh perspectives into your life. Consider subscribing to top publications in your field to stay current and be inspired by the latest trends and insights. Even one new idea can change your approach and lead to powerful results. Practice regular brainstorming and idea generation. Dedicate time for brainstorming sessions, either alone or with a team. Encourage free thinking and allow ideas to flow without judgment. Techniques like mind mapping, role-playing, and reverse thinking are excellent tools for sparking creativity. Remember, the goal is to explore possibilities without limiting yourself. Regular brainstorming keeps your mind agile and responsive to new challenges. Design a workspace that inspires creativity. Your environment has a significant impact on your ability to think creatively. Create a workspace that encourages inspiration, productivity, and open communication. Incorporate elements like natural light, open spaces, plants, and artwork to make your space inviting and stimulating. Encourage a culture of collaboration where new ideas are openly discussed and creative risks are supported. Use technology to amplify creativity. Contrary to popular belief, technology can enhance rather than hinder creativity. For instance, AI can assist you in analyzing trends, generating new design concepts, or automating repetitive tasks, which frees up more time for innovative thinking. When you combine the analytical power of AI with your own creative insights, you can achieve truly remarkable results. Balancing AI with human creativity. While AI excels at performing tasks that require precision, data analysis, and consistency, it lacks the human qualities of intuition, imagination, and emotional depth. Combining the efficiency of AI with the unique creativity that only people possess can yield powerful outcomes. In an ideal scenario, AI becomes a tool that supports human creativity, helping us reach new heights in innovation and problem-solving. Lifelong learning, a foundation for sustained creativity. Staying creative and adaptable requires an ongoing commitment to learning and self-improvement. Continuous learning keeps you at the forefront of innovation and helps you stay prepared for emerging trends. Attend seminars, read books, and engage in workshops to keep your skills sharp and your ideas fresh. Many top professionals in any industry invest in lifelong learning, always on the lookout for insights that can propel them forward. In my experience giving seminars worldwide, the most successful people are often those who prioritize learning and self-improvement. They're the ones who attend workshops, read extensively, and seek out new ideas to expand their horizons. This dedication to personal development is a common trait among top performers who understand that even the smallest insight can have a transformative impact on their work. Take action. Embrace creativity as your competitive edge. Creativity and innovation are not optional in an AI-driven world. They are essential for those looking to thrive, adapt, and make a meaningful impact. By actively cultivating creativity and embracing innovation, you position yourself to stand out and succeed in an environment where adaptability is key. Make creativity a core aspect of your skill set, and let it guide you to new opportunities, solutions, and breakthroughs. Now is the time to take action and tap into your creative potential. Your journey to success in a tech-driven world begins with the simple step of embracing your creativity